Shalom, shalom, family, and aloha from Maui, Hawaii. This is your Sistah ChaYah with the Melchizedek Network. I pray that you all are well today. As you can see on the screen, family, I have a few highly recommended videos. That's right, when Brother Yosef and I come across something that is edifying and powerful, we'd like to share it with you. So I pray that you take the time to watch and listen to Brother Shahid over at Middle Nation. They are dropping all kind of nuggets of truth, y'all. And even if you're not a believer of the faith, you can still be empowered by the truth that this Brother Shahid is speaking. So take the time to watch. I know the title may look a little intimidating, but don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge the messenger. It's just important to receive the message. All right? So when you get a chance, family, check those videos out. I will include in the description of this video a link to both of those. And as always, here on the Melchizedek Network, peace, love, unity, and respect for all people. That's right, for all people. And by the way, shouts out to my Hawaiian family for the lovely shirt. I love you with real love and real respect. From Maui, Hawaii, we say mahalo. Y'all have a good one.